Good. And did you all understand the conditions? If something is happening in the future, we use will. Okay. And if it is continuing in the future, we'll be using will be. I will be coming, I will be using, all those things. If suppose there is one particular time before which an action takes place in the future, fine. So it will be I will have come to college tomorrow. If before that particular time the action is being continued, it will be I will have been coming to college tomorrow. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay, good. Now, see, I want you to write some, for each tense you have to write 5 sentences. I write, okay. She writes, she writes, she or he writes. Put like this. 3 will use. She or he writes, they or we write. They or we write. What tense is this? What tense is this? Simple present. Now, what would be the present continuous for this? Present continuous. They are writing fine, and I want you see. I want you to follow the same sequence. I am writing good. She or he is writing. They or we are writing. Good. So you understand what you are going to do now? For every tense, I want you to come up with this 3 with the main verb write. For every tense, I want you to come up with this 3 sentence. I am writing she or he. Put he also, or they or we. Fine. So 2 tense we have done: simple present and present continuous. So what would be for present perfect? Good. I have written. She or he has written. They or we have written. Wonderful. 3 sentence for each tense, which means 12 into 3, 36 sentence you have to write. Make it fast. Okay. So quickly I'll tell you the sentences. Just cross check it. Okay. Simple present. I write. She writes. When I say she, it is including he. Okay. So I write. She or he writes. They or we write. Okay. Subject verb agreement. Don't forget. Next one. Present continuous. I am writing. She or he is writing. They or we are writing. Present perfect. I have written. She or he has written. They or we have written. Okay. Again, subject verb agreement. Then present perfect continuous. I have been writing. She or he has been writing. They or we have been writing. Everybody got it correctly. Present time zone is done. We go to the past. I wrote. She wrote. They wrote. I wrote. She or he wrote. They or we wrote. Past continuous. I was writing. She or he was writing. They or we were writing. Now, past perfect. I had written. She had written. Or he had written. They or we had written. Had written. It is had plus past participle in the past perfect. In the past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous. It is I had been writing. She or he had been writing. They or we had been writing. Future. I will write. She will write. He will write. They will write. We will write. I will be writing. She or he will be writing. They or we will be writing. Now, future continuous. Future perfect. I will have written. She or he will have written. In future, there is no has. it is only have. She or he will have written. Then we have they or we will have written. Okay. Then comes your future perfect continuous. I will have been writing. She or he will have been writing. They or we will have been writing. See, never replace will with shall. In most of the English textbook, it will be saying that will would have been replaced with shall. Never replace will with shall. Okay. Shall is used only for questioning in the future. Shall I come to college tomorrow? Replace will with shall. Shall is only for questioning. See, I'll be handling modal verbs also. Okay. While I am handling the error spotting and sentence corrections, there would be questions based on modal verbs. That time we'll discuss all these things. Can, could, shall, should, may, might, all those things we'll discuss that time. Let's not complicate things too much. Today we are focusing on tense. Let's focus on tense. Let's not get into modal verbs. Okay. So modal verbs will focus when I'm handling the topic wise when I start handling the class. Okay. So far we are only doing the basics. Fine. We are only doing the groundwork which is required for us to easily answer the questions related to the topics. Guys, condition is very important. If you know the condition, everything will automatically fall in place. Fine. Now we will quickly go to an exercise. I'm going to share the screen now. So with the help of the tenses that you have learned, you have to fill those blanks. Some places, blanks are there. Some places only vacant places will be there. You have to fill it. Can you do it? So there are actually 3 exercises, but at least, we'll finish off this one exercise today. Because of that technical glitch, we were not able to complete it. That's okay. Tomorrow we'll do it. See, understanding the context is very important. When you read the statement itself, you must be able to, you must be in a position to somehow understand the concept. The condition which I told you. You have to see whether it is a rule or whether something is happening just now, whether it's a universal rule, whether at the moment something is happening, all those things. So fill in the blanks using correct form of verbs, present and past. So present and past. So both past is also there. Yeah. So it is already 4 p.m. What would be the answer? It's already 4 p.m. Good. They haven't arrived yet. Good. They have not arrived yet. What tense is this? Ankit, present perfect. Rashmi is not in the hostel. She's not there in the hostel. Rashmi is not in the hostel. She has gone out. Just now she has gone out. Again, present perfect. Again, Sita has hurt her leg. She can't walk fast. Just now she has hurt her leg. Remember, past participle of hurt is hurt, not hurted. A lot of people say hurted. There is nothing called hurted. She has hurt her leg. She can't walk fast. Okay, again, present perfect. Suresh has no more books. This one is direct question. As they have already said, Suresh has no more books to sell. He has sold all the books. Has sold all the books, which is present perfect again. Okay, next one. They in the morning only. So what would be the answer? In the morning. So this is not happened in something which has happened very past. I mean long past. The answer is they have played. They have played the second match in the morning. Okay, Ankita, answer should be have played, since it speaks about some time which has happened just now. They have played the second match in the morning. Okay, Shilpa, yeah, now tell me, Shilpa, last evening it says. So what would be the answer? Reached, simple past. Shilpa reached. Okay, just now. Direct question. What would be the answer? The action has taken place just now. So what would be the answer? Apurva. Yeah, write the complete answer. They have completed the their project just now. Have completed. Okay. Next one. Yeah, Raki came before Raki came. So what will come here? Ramesh, past of past. So what will come there? Come on, guys. Ramesh had finished his work before Raki came. Ramesh had finished his work before Raki came. Okay, what is the next one? The girl. Yeah, now two dash are there. Let me see how you are using your brain. You should not, if you know the condition, you can easily answer. The girl, whenever we use while, what will come? While is something which, where something is continuing. Whenever, only we use while when something is continuing. So what will come there? The girl fell. Good, Apurva. Wonderful. The girl fell from the roof while she was flying a kite. He was flying a kite. Okay. We are in the 9th question, Apurva. The girl fell from the roof while she was flying a kite. While, whenever we use, it has to be continuous. The girl fell from the roof while she was flying a kite. Yeah, since Monday. Such a simple one. 10th one. Since Monday. Come on. I want you all people to be more active. Good. It has only Ankita and Apurva answering. What about others? Yeah, it has been raining heavily since Monday. Okay. Raksha fell down while she was walking in the gallery. We already saw an example like this. Raksha fell down while she was walking in the gallery. Ranu. Again, while is there. Ranu slipped while she was climbing up the roof. Okay. While again, the light went out while we were having drinks in the hotel. While we were having drinks in the hotel. Yeah. Bell daily. So what will come the answer? The light went out while we were having drinks in the hotel. While we were having drinks in the hotel. 13th one. The light, sorry, that we saw. 14th one. Good. Daily, which means rings. Swami rings the bell at 4 p.m. daily. Yeah, again, in this country, since we, Ishani, why are you saying we are living? Since is there, no? An action has started in the past and it is still continuing. Come on, please, be careful. See, Saumyajit is in his own world. We live, she is telling. We have been living in this country since India attained freedom. Saumyajit and Ishani, I clearly told you the rules. An action takes place in the past and it is still continuing. Moreover, the clue word since is also there. Live will come only if it is some regular thing or a routine thing. I don't think there is any habit or routine or any regular thing is there over there. We have been living in this country. What tense is that? We have been living means what tense is that? Present perfect continuous. Good. Dash. Yeah, again, for last 3 hours. Again, for last 3 hours, which means, they are continuously waiting for the past 3 hours. So, we have been waiting for the train for last 3 hours. Okay. Ankita, such a simple thing. Daily in the morning. So, what would be the answer? Okay. Dog bit him. She was passing. Okay. Good. Then, Smrita was writing a story when Rahul entered the room. Okay. Smrita was writing a story when Rahul entered the room. Fine. They, again, they were climbing up the ladder when they heard the noise. Okay. Now tell me the next one. When Seema arrived, again, the only thing is they've changed the structure of the sentence, but the logic remains the same. Good. When Seema arrived, they were having their lunch. Good, Ankita. Or they were taking their lunch. Others, are you all following, guys? Next one. When Seema arrived, they were taking their lunch. Yeah, for half an hour when it started to rain. Come on, tell me this. They have been playing football for half an hour when it started to rain. Good. Wait. Yeah, they have been playing football for half an hour when it started to rain. What is the next one? Happens in the past of past. They had been playing football for half an hour when it started to rain. We had been trying for 10 weeks when we succeeded in solving the problem puzzle. She had been putting in hard work to secure the first rank for 3 years before he finally achieved success. 25th is she had been suffering from fever for more than 5 days when she received the appointment. Everything is past perfect continuous. See, he had been taking, he had been playing, had been trying, had put. Oh, so 24th alone is had put. Had been suffering. 24th, we'll see what it is. Rest of things are fine. Why is 24 alone?